Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here today to give you a sneak peek of what is coming up later this month. It's time for my September card kit. The September kit is always Christmas. The Christmas kit's always my favorite, and this year is just amazing. We are working with a brand new collection from Vicki Boutin called Evergreen and Holly. I looked at, I don't know how many dozens of Christmas paper collections until I finally landed on this one. This is amazing. You're going to get the 6x8 pad, which has 36 sheets of double-sided paper. What? That's amazing. And it is beautiful. All the traditional like plaids. We've got these fresh sentiment pages. There are solids. There are ledger pages. I'm telling you guys, the ideas that I have tumbling through my head for cards and folios. And look at this. I think we're going to make a little mini kind of December daily, but shh, don't tell. And then we have all kinds of plaids. It's kind of traditional with a fresh twist, and I am loving it. There are cut apart pages. It just goes on and on, you guys. Look at it. It's just an amazing paper collection, and it's going to make the most beautiful cards and folios and all the things. Look at this. See, we have to do like a little December daily, don't you think? So anyway, look at this. It just goes on, and now it repeats. So 18 different patterns, double-sided, 2 of each, 36 sheets. Amazing. And then in addition to that, we're going to get 2 12x12 sheets with these wonderful images, tags. There's a solid on the back here. And if that's not enough, we're going to get the 12x12 chipboard sheet, which has, I mean, some really fun. Look at this. There's some foiling on here. We've got snowmen, snowflakes, wonderful titles, which are great. These cute chipboard houses, which I have some ideas for. This is going to be a fun kit. All right. And then in addition to that, we got this huge ephemera pack. This thing has titles, tags, little mini envelopes. I mean, just so many fun little elements that make a project. Look at this cool frame. All these little bits and pieces. You get all of this. It just goes on and on and on. I can't remember how many pieces. I want to say it's something like, hold on, does the packaging tell me? 50 pieces. So it's a lot of, and these are not flimsy. These are really nice cardstock pieces. So we're going to have some fun, you guys. This card kit, it's always, the Christmas card kit is always my favorite every year because we get to pull out all the bells and whistles. So look at the library card, love. All of these. This all comes in your kit. And then we're going to get 10 sheets of beautiful, heavy, natural cardstock. This is 110-pound paper. It's really going to make gorgeous card bases. We have 1, 2, 3 sheets of 12x12 black that we can use for borders and for matting and mechanisms. We're going to get 2 shaker cards, slimline shakers. These are going to be fun for Christmas. Where did that go? Look at this, guys. You get this whole bottle of buttons galore and more. Buttons, sequins, beads. I mean, I'm so excited about this kit. I can't contain myself. And then we put together a customized ribbon assortment. Look at this. There's like a gold. This is beautiful. A lot of times metallic ribbons are so stiff you can't tie a pretty bow. This is not like that. Then we've got a traditional black and white gingham. We've got a satin snowflake print. We've got these really fun Christmas trees. Aren't those neat? And then this grosgrain that has the printed sentiment on it. So a yard of each of these, 5 yards of ribbon, customized. And then 18 jingle bells. So Of course, you get the links to the video tutorials where we make the project together step by step, and you can watch those over and over and over again in your own convenience. You can even craft in your pajamas. I won't tell anybody because those are yours to watch for forever. And then you get the basic printed guide with full color detail pictures and basic written instructions. So this is going to go live the last week of September. I just wanted you to see what we're going to be doing, and it's going to be awesome.